Hello gentlemen, how are you? Today I will discuss engineering measurement. In engineering measurement, we'll discuss how to do conversion inch, feet, yard, mile, millimeter, centimeter, meter, like this. So I have prepared a presentation you can easily understand. Kindly subscribe my channel. Let's go. You will read this. Why use the SI system? In this English system, you have to remember so many units. 12 inch in a foot, 3 foot in a yard, 5280 feet in a mile, 16 ounces in a pound, 4 quarters to a gallon. Basic type of measurements. See this measurement, basic units, abbreviation. 1 gram, liter, 1 liter, 1 meter. We will apply this ladder method. You can see here kilo, hectare, deca, basic unit, deci, centi, milli. So in this, determine the equality relationship between units. Example, 2.54 centimeter equal to 1 inch. So we will write like this: numerator and denominator. So numerator 2.54, the upper one, inch, 1 inch down. So here we will check, multiply the value you have by the conversion factor. It's like multiplying by 1. 10 inch multiply 2.54 centimeter by 1 inch. So you can check here, we'll cancel inch and inch. So you have to focus this one, numerator and denominator. Now choosing conversion factors. How many feet are in 144 inch? So 12 inches in 1 foot or 1 foot by 12 inch. Choose the conversion factor with the desired. Here 12 inches 1 foot or 1 foot 12 inches. Example 1. 36 eggs. How many dozens? So 12 eggs in 1 dozen. See here, 12 eggs by 1 dozen, 1 dozen by 12. 36 eggs in how many dozens? Determine 12 eggs in 1 dozen. Determine the conversion factor. 12 eggs by 1 dozen or 1 dozen by 12 eggs. 36 eggs conversion factor, 1 dozen by 12 eggs. So here eggs will be cancelled. So it will be 3 dozen. We need dozen. So we will keep it up. Example second, 10 centimeter, how many inches? Same, 2.54 centimeter by 1 inch or 1 inch by 2.5 centimeter. This we will apply wherever we will do. Here 10 inches centimeter, so we need to cancel here centimeter. So here easily centimeter will be cancelled. we will get 3.94 inch. So here the basic how to convert inches to feet, 1 by 12 inch or 12 inch by 1 foot, whatever we need we will apply this. Foot to yard, 1 yard by 3 feet or 3 feet by 1 yard. Minutes to hour, 1 hour, 60 minutes by 1 hour. Here centimeter to millimeter, meter to millimeter, meter to centimeter. These are the basic principles. You have to focus this. If you know this, you will easily convert any type of mathematics. 8 yards. You can see here 3 feet 1 yard or 1 yard 3 feet, 8 yard by 1 or 8 yard 3 feet by 1 yard. Here easily first what we will do, we will convert it 8 yard into we will cancel the yard, then after 8 yard by 1 or we will cancel the yard again, we will get 24 by 1 feet. It means 24 feet will be the answer. Example, convert 6 feet to yard. 6 feet into 1 by 3 feet, 6 feet 1 by 3 feet, so we get 2 yard. 18 inch by 1 by 12 inch. We need here what? So what we need, we will keep up. So we will get 1.5. Here some 5 feet 12 inch by 1 feet. So we need to convert into inch. So how many inch we will get? 60 inch we will get. So what we need, we will keep up. 120 minutes 1 by 60 hours. So what we need here, we need 2 hours. We need hours. So we will convert into, so we will keep hours up. Here 1.5 hours to minute. So what we need minute. So we will keep minute up. So 60 by 1 hour, we will get 90 minutes. What we need here, millimeter. So we will keep millimeter up. So here 30 centimeter into 10 millimeter will be up, down will be centimeter. So centimeter will be cancelled. We will get 300. Same, convert 150 millimeter to centimeter. So we need to cancel millimeter, then after we will get the centimeter. Whatever we need, we will keep it up. So we will get here, so millimeter will be cancelled. So we will get the answer 15 centimeter. Here convert 5 meter to millimeter. What we need here, millimeter. So we will keep millimeter up. 5 meter into 1000 millimeter by 1 meter. So we will get 5000 millimeter. Same, convert 4450 millimeter to meter. So what we need meter. We will keep meter up. So we will get here, so millimeter will be cancelled. We will get 4.45 meter. Here convert 3 meter to centimeter. We need here centimeter, so we will keep centimeter up. Then after calculating, we will get 300 centimeter. Here what we need, convert centimeter to meter. We need meter here, so we will keep meter up, centimeter down. Why? Because we need to cancel centimeter. So we'll divide it, we'll get it 2.54 meter. Things to be remembered. Revise. Thank you guys. If you have any question, me easily. If you have any doubts, you can ask me Any doubts you can comment down. And so it's very important. Step by step try to write in the page, you will understand. Okay, thank you.